So what's the biggest con in your life? Well, as an 81-year-old, I'm here to tell you about the biggest con you have in your life, the biggest lie that you're told. It was allowing yourself to be convinced that the right thing to do is to work for almost 50 years. And during that time, you're going to happily give up your youth, your dreams, your time with your family, your loved ones, your children, your freedom of choice, because you accept what everyone tells you, which is that one day, after all these years of working, you're going to be able to retire and enjoy life. However, and it's a big however, it's what they don't tell you. And that's good. The fact is that you're going to be in your late 60s, early 70s, and your body's going to be worn out. You're going to have health problems, and you won't have the energy you used to have. All you've got left is a short space of time to do what you want to do and to be free. But sadly, it's not true freedom anymore. Age, medication, and regret, they're your new bosses. All the time that you should have spent with your family, your friends, with travel and leisure and hobbies like golf are over. What you've done is you've swapped them for a wage or a salary. And when you finally retire, you don't enjoy it like you were promised you would because you're too old. And that's the price that you're going to pay for 50 years in a job. Never forget, life's not all about money. It's about time. So whilst you can, please remember this. Time is the most valuable currency, and trading it all for work without living a full life is a tragedy that you'll only appreciate when it's too late. Never ever forget, your job is not your life. It's a means to live your life. You still have time. Nice to talk to you.
We bought a boat. We don't know anything about sailboats. Nikki's actually not even seen the boat. She's organised all this online. I've just flown in on my way through southeast Queensland to come check it out. Stay tuned for this adventure, boys and girls. It's going to be a wild one.
That's our boat. Oh my god, how do you get on? Can you hold that? Oh my god. Oh, she's wet.
She's wet.
She's very wet.
Yeah. Have a look at it.
Oh, we can open that one. The tender's on it.
Bomb site.
The bitter one, eh?
On their home.
I'm never going back to work. When you're in a sailboat, but you're using a sail simulator.
Yeah, that's right.
That's how you learn, alright?
I'm pretty sure I just said stimulator, not simulator.
Stimulator.
Boat jobs.
I'm just winging it as I go, because that always works out good. When I took it apart, I didn't know how to put it back together because I didn't take any photos. Wasn't very smart about it. Just went gung-ho and started undoing important things. Sometimes it's moments like this, you know, this is what makes you. I've just spent about an hour or so just hand polishing the shaft.
Life, what would you say 100
I saw one
millimeters.
floating next to the boat. It was like 100 mil snowball. Oh, we're going.